Now here's a quick fix for damage on your drywall. Let's patch it up in minutes with DryDex Repair Kit. Let's fix this drywall the easy way with DAP DryDex Wall Repair Kit. It comes with everything you need: a 237 ml tub of pink putty, a putty knife, a sanding pad, and even a wall patch for bigger holes. Super handy. Now for the fun part. Grab your putty knife and scoop out a little DryDex. See how it's pink? That's the cool part. It dries white. So you know exactly when it's ready to sand. Don't worry if it looks messy. It'll stand down perfectly later. Now, let it dry completely. When the pink turns white, you're good to go. I'm using a Gator Sandpaper Pad. Once it's dry, gently sand it down. It will smooth out and blend seamlessly with the rest of the wall. Once it's smooth, go ahead, paint over it to match your wall. Just dab or roll on a little paint and you're done. And once you're done using the putty, here's a quick tip. I like to place a sheet of plastic or a packet over the tub before sealing it. Then tightly close the lid. That keeps air out and prevents the putty from drying up. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more quick home hacks and DIY